Fasting is considered as the most effective way of repairing your body and improving your overall health. Fasting is a period in which a person does not eat or drink, depending on the type of fast observed by a person. It can be either dry fast, in which there is no eating and drinking for a certain period, like in the month of Ramadan. Muslims observe a dry fast, which starts before the first light of dawn and lasts until the setting of the sun. During this period, Muslims are not allowed to eat and drink. On the other side, you have what is called as intermittent fast. Now, unlike dry fast, a person observing an intermittent fast can eat once a day or can go on an empty stomach for many days and can drink water and other liquids of very low to almost no caloric value. There is no restriction on drinking water in intermittent fasting. Now, what happens when you are in fast is that your body starts to repair itself. Your body releases growth hormone, and this hormone causes protein synthesis. And as we know that protein is a source of many essential molecules in our body, like antibodies that are necessary for maintaining a proper immune system and hormones that are necessary for the proper functioning of our body. One example of a hormone is glucagon. This hormone is responsible for breaking stored glycogen into glucose. Now, during fasting, your blood glucose levels also reduce significantly, and you will learn the striking benefits of it later in the video. Now, another benefit of growth hormone is that it promotes muscle growth. Combining fasting with a healthy, balanced diet and some light workouts can be very beneficial for your body and also make you look muscular. Another amazing benefit of fasting is that it has an anti-aging effect on the skin. There is a protein present in our skin called collagen. This protein is responsible for maintaining elasticity of the skin, giving your skin a healthy, youthful look. Now, when we consume food rich in carbs, the sugar molecules in it cause non-enzymatic glycation and oxidation of the collagen protein present in our skin, thereby damaging it. It's because of this damaged collagen, the skin loses its elasticity and becomes wrinkled. Fasting is one way to protect your skin. Many studies have shown that cancer cells need a lot of glucose to divide and grow, so in order to slow the growth process of cancer cells, we need to deprive them of glucose. Fasting is a very effective way of lowering blood glucose levels, therefore starving cancer cells of glucose and hindering their growth, so by fasting we can reduce the chances of getting cancer. So viewers, I hope that you found this video very informative and interesting. Take care and goodbye.